How to delete Telegram account permanently. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete Telegram account permanently. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, open up your Telegram and make sure you're logged in. Then you can head over to the bottom right corner on the settings option. And after you're on your settings, go to privacy and security. After you've done that, scroll down and there you'll find a section that says automatically delete my account if away for. Tap on that. And there you can see an option that says delete account now. Tap on delete account now. And you can see alternative methods, but scroll down and tap on delete my account and confirm it. Go through with the prompt and you'll have deleted your Telegram account permanently. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.